would clash on both of us.
Oh, me also. Hi.
So, this is like the beginning of our podcast.
Oh my god, no.
So, that's my best friend. And we decided in this shitty lighting to do a podcast, which we'll shoot either today or tomorrow, depending on your luck. But as of now, we are headed for a 2-person Diwali party. For sure, you're getting vlogged tonight. 100%, 100%.
Look at her.
What are you showing?
Hi, and welcome to my first podcast. The video came out so bad that you're going to be hearing us for the next 30 minutes. Have a good time.
Hello, welcome to Pretentious Movie Reviews. Hey, I hope you're seen, yeah. Come here.
Who are you?
I'm sorry, we're recording in some bad environment. Okay, listen. So, somebody on my comment section was like, hi Sriya, you yap so much, so it's gonna sound great on a podcast. And I was too shy to start a podcast on my own because that's what loser boys do. And then I posted a poll in the morning and I realized a lot of you want to talk about friendships. Act like this is gonna go on the internet, okay?
I'm still battling with my strepsils.
She has a bad throat, but I think that sounds hot. So we're gonna talk about friendships, we're gonna talk about loneliness, we're gonna talk about things that you can go through in medical college more than any other college. That is not really addressed online. So yeah, from real experiences, completely different experiences, we're gonna talk about it. For context, I met Ishita, who we are this proximally close in physicality and mentality. Way well into my third year, okay? So that was 2.5 years after medicine that I finally met Ishita, who's my current best friend. She's a writer, by the way, so I'm fully relying on her to make the script of whatever this podcast is gonna be.
2 minutes ago, you were like, follow my lead.
2 minutes ago, you were like... it's
I'm
funny.
at a biological disadvantage right now with my voice on my way through.
I made her drink ice today, by the way. I am the best doctor on earth.
I'm second best doctor for saying, loha ko katta hai.
I don't think they got any. Okay, the fact that internship has been my best year of my entire MBBS life. Of my life, 12th grade was personally my best. But yeah, of MBBS internship has been my favorite because I don't know, I've just been so much more comfortable with myself in the same situations that I was a few years back. Nothing has exactly changed except my perception and mindset. And let's say in first year, obviously as everyone gets in, I don't know if it's very obvious, but in first year I had a friend group, and right now my closest friends are vastly different from the friend group I had in first year. That has a lot to do with, different interpersonal relationships. I'm not going to sit and elaborate about it because I completely fully respect all my friends I've made since first year. As compared to Ishta, I've definitely had a little more fallouts. And that I would probably blame on myself a little bit because I was gullible, naive. I still am, but I think I'm better at palpating when someone is completely wrong for me. But other than that, due to unfortunate circumstances, I haven't been as close to the initial friends I made as I am now. I'm still friends with them, but way through third year, I started making friends that I think will last me a lifetime. So if you're in a situation where you feel like it's not going well for you, because you're like 17 or 18, bro. You don't know anything about life. The trials and tribulations of life you are not aware of. Nothing, you know.
Now at this age,
Yeah, but we have experiences. I have experiences which made me realize the kind of friends I want. And I'm going to mention my qualities, and Ishta, you also do, okay? So what I've realized over the years is that the friendships that suit me the most are where I can be, number one, 100% myself. Like 100%. You have no idea what she's seen. you don't want to see that. Or like in general, the ugly sides, the bad sides, everything without any judgment. Number two, this is something I learned from someone who isn't that close to me right now, but he's taught me a lot. You need to have friends who you can share your happiness with more than your sadness with. You're gonna find a lot of people who will help you through your sadness, but you're gonna find very few people who are gonna be so happy about you being happy or about your achievements. And that was very important for me. So yes, that it's difficult to find in medical college, by the way, but look for that mostly. And third most important thing as friends is that it shouldn't be that difficult. It shouldn't be effort. When you hang out with them and you come back, you shouldn't be thinking, oh my god, did I behave well? Do you think they liked me? No, not those thoughts. The only thoughts I have when I hang out with my closest friends right now is, when am I gonna hang out with them next? That's important. Opinions.
This strepsils needs to go down a little quicker. Wait, I forgot what we.
I'm gonna make a joke about going down your throat.
Not paperwork.
NSFW.
Wait, what did you start with?
We started with your opinions on what kind of friends you should wish for, and how was your journey?
Okay, directly piggybacking on to what Sriya said is, like the qualities that she looks for in friends. I think most of what she said also applies to me. I do look for friends that I can be myself with. I am the kind of person who is best classified as an ambivert. So I'm introvert in several situations, but with my friends, I'm a complete extrovert.
Except with me.
Because she's the extrovert in this situation. So I find myself people I can be that open and extroverted with. And again, like she said, people who are happy in my happiness, and I would love to reciprocate with them in that sense. I think a big part which you missed out, but I think she also looks for, is people with similar goals, and who, like, the lot of us, we inspire each other. It's more of a giving and taking process, as opposed to I'm nurturing you and I'm receiving nothing in return. And that's not something which happens consciously, right? That's something which happens at a very cellular level. Apart from that, I think the only reason I would say we've had different experiences is purely based on luck.
That's true.
And a lot of
She
times,
found her best friends on day one.
Yeah.
Except me. I'm cool like that.
Yeah, she's cool mitochondria. But I think for the majority of however long I've heard about friendships and relationships coming out from MBBS, I've only heard horror stories, and everybody has been quick to tell me that you were the exception. And especially if you're a first year listening to this with your 34 friends and wondering that
what do you mean? Group rahega kya?
Yeah, I don't like. No, but no, at the same
Let's
time,
be very honest, 34 तो नहीं रहेगा, 5 शायद रह
34 शायद नहीं रहे.
हाँ.
But what I mean to say is that don't be so pessimistic in jumping to that conclusion that, okay, my first year friends are not going to last me. That's not true 100% of the time. I'm not gonna lie, it's true 80 to 85% of the time. But that wasn't true for me. My roommate, I'm still best friends with her. Everybody else that I met in my first year and I made as my girl group, sorry, they're still my girl group. So I've been very lucky in that aspect that I found my ride or dies on day one. And I think that so can you. So I don't think you should be pessimistic about that okay, these are not my people, I will find my people later on.
ऐसा नहीं है. It's more of cautiously enter first year, talk to as many people as you can, and gauge कि तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं. If you're not feeling well, put yourself out of the situation, because nothing works better than your gut. Your gut feeling. My gut is having some issues right now in terms of the actual physiological gut. But I'm just saying that your gut feeling always at 100% always is the right thing. So if you feel good about a person, don't think about 5,000 different things that can go wrong. Just trust that friendship, build on it. Okay, be comfortable and start. And honestly, there can be a lot of times in MBBS, dude, I'm telling you, canon events in MBBS. Number one, being deadly heartbroken. At least,
Oh my god.
at least once you're going to be
Once a
gone.
year. Once a year you're going to be
You're going
heartbroken.
gone off like that. But you deal with it. You know how you deal with it? By being like, अच्छा at least आधा घंटा तो पढ़ लिया. अच्छा चलो 5 मिनट क्लास तो अटेंड करी. That's it. And the other canon event being that at some point you're going to question, is this clinical depression or not? But let's be honest, guys. You can get through it, and if you can't get through it, get help.
Yeah.
Anyways, moving on. I was saying ki don't be too scared of friendships. Don't be too scared of loneliness, because one thing that I've definitely battled through is being very, very comfortable with being alone. When you're alone, you're necessarily not lonely. So I used to think being alone matlab being lonely and being sad. But eventually I realized that when you get into higher years and you're in 4th year internship, there will be a lot of times where you won't be with your friends. You won't have people around you. Lot of situations can
Purely
happen.
logistical
Issues. That's it. You need to be very comfortable with spending the entire day, 24 hours, just with you, your company, and maybe some ird gird ke log जो तुम्हारे दोस्त नहीं हैं. And when you're in that state, when you, it's like reaching nirvana. It's like बुद्धा के पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के तुम लोग. That,
Sure.
see, I'm telling you, that's when you know that you've made it. In terms of personal life, in terms of a lot of people also commented saying FOMO, ये वो. FOMO तो होता है, मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा FOMO होता है. मैं I still attend every party I
I
can.
can attest, इसको बहुत FOMO
मेरे को
होता है.
बहुत FOMO होता है. मैं जहाँ भी, बट मैं बहुत ट्राई कर रही हूँ उसको कर्ब करने की, बिकॉज आई नो दैट when you make a decision and you stick to it, you try to make the best out of it. If I have decided कि ठीक है मैं इस पार्टी में नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं घर पे बैठूंगी, I'm going to make the best out of it by watching something I like, studying something, spending time with her, anything like that. So I would just like to say कि FOMO से कुछ नहीं होता, बस तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब होता है. Yes, thank you very much. कुछ और भी तो एड्रेस करना था. हाँ, what do you takes on loneliness?
I think it's very real. I think especially if people don't make the correct kind of friends and don't have the kind of support system that you should be having in college, it's very easy to get lonely. And what she described as being very comfortable in spending time with yourself in your own skin is a far cry from loneliness, because it's if you force yourself to be comfortable when at the core of yourself you're very unhappy, it's not going to happen. So making peace with yourself is in its place. At the same time, making peace with your environment is your cure for loneliness. And the one thing I wanted to mention is that I feel especially in first year, people jump at the chance of making friends. The problem is, make friends, don't get attached. If you go in day 2, day 3 and start attaching to people,
Can relate.
that's not helpful, because I think it's too much of burden that you're putting on the other person as well. They don't know you, you don't know them, you don't even know yourself. So I would say take some time to get to know them.
Child.
You are a child. Even I feel like a child. We are still children in the eyes
Yeah,
of
dude.
several people older
That's
than
just us coping. We're like 22 or something.
No,
Yeah.
but the point is that don't attach too quickly to people. Take your time in getting to know them and always be there for them. Don't have too many expectations in return.
Expectations.
Yeah, I feel there's a line
Right.
between,
I'm glad you brought that up.
yeah, like my friendship needs are being met, yes, and I'm happy about it. Maybe I am expecting something extra which I shouldn't have, and because that is not being met, I'm unhappy. A lot of friendships and relationships boil down to just, I think I have been on both sides of it, wherein I have also put expectations on another person which they can't fulfill because they're not in the place to fulfill that. I have also been the kind of person who has had expectations put on her, and I have not been in a position to fulfill them, and I have jeopardized my friendship. So at the end of the day, be honest with the person and let them know how far your jurisdiction goes.
You know, my friendship situation has been the same it was 2 years back, but I'm so much more happier now, only because of I lost expectation. I stopped. Nobody owes you anything. Nobody owes you anything at all, except like an explanation if they did you wrong. But other than that, if you sit and expect, oh my god, they need to call me, they need to hang out with me, you're just gonna be depressed all your life. I'm telling you, that's not how it works. You want to hang out with someone, you call them. You want to text someone, and honestly, if they're not reciprocating the energy back, then you have your answer. It's fine. You can stop trying to justify how someone treats you by saying, "Acha, wo to bas aisa hi hai." That's their personality. If you're feeling uncomfortable and sad in a situation, in a friendship, put yourself out of it. You don't. उनको नीचा दिखाना नहीं है, उनको कुछ बोलना नहीं है. Just take yourself out of it and put yourself in a better place. That's all I did over the past 2-3 years, and I am very content with the friends I have now. I am at a very good place with the friends I made in the first year. I am open to new friendships, and you just have to be comfortable knowing that you're a good person and you have the ability to make friends. Okay? Because nobody deserves to be friendless. Nobody deserves to be friendless. Do not. Okay? Your person's there, they're waiting. Even if it's one true, nice, cute friend, they're there. And you don't, and also please stop deriving examples from movies, from from the friends around you, from influencers. It's not, that's like sounding like so उसको क्या बोलते हैं जो मैं बोल रही हूँ बट मैं वो हो नहीं रही, hypocritical. तो but I'm saying मत करो, because I watched, if you're Telugu you know this bro, Happy Days I watched. Okay,
I knew you were gonna say this.
She's also pseudo Telugu, by the way. She's Bihari. Guys, you know she's Bihari, but she knows Telugu. Learn something, okay? Learn something from
Happy Days.
But so, I watched Happy Days. I was like, wow. That's when I was like, I should do engineering. Although I hate engineering. I'm sorry, no offense. But I was like, CBIT kelta and I'll get great friends and everything. Yeah. But it's not like Happy Days, guys. I'm telling you, maybe 1 in 1,000 people turn out like, oh my god, Happy Days. It's not like that. It's not like Sauti. It's not like, give more examples.
Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Ye Jawani, no. Maybe Naina a
Ye
little
Jawani
bit.
Hai Diwani is a longer
Yeah.
gap.
Ow.
3 Idiots.
3 Idiots. Maybe 3 Idiots, some dudes might experience it. Who knows? ताकि तुम्हारे पास examples हो.
नहीं,
ऐसे
that was not the point. That is the opposite of the point. No, I think
Yes.
the most cardinal rule for any
Cardinal.
friendship/relationship is that you should feel like yourself and not lose yourself.
भाई yourself होता क्या है मेरे को बताओ.
See, वही ना, there's a
Yourself क्या है मेरी audience को बताओ.
देखो, see, I feel like it's slightly, that fine line wherein you're growing as a person, but at the same time there are some core things which make you and you're not compromising on that.
What do you think makes you?
Like personally,
हाँ.
I think I am quite progressive and
ये बहुत politically correct statements बोलती रहती है. You know, पहले we didn't like each other because I thought she was too politically correct. I was like, इसके सामने तो मैं ऐसे गंदे jokes बना नहीं पाऊंगी.
and then she converted me into the kind of person जो कि उसके गंदे jokes पे सबसे loudly हंसती है.
Anyways, moving on. Progressive. So progressive तो ये है, मैं अभी भी jokes बनाती हूँ.
So I think those are some things where I'm progressive. I would much rather give people the benefit of the doubt and I am someone who is ambitious and
She definitely gives me benefit.
ambitious share, and I like people around me who have similar kind of goals and dreams in life, right? So when I say cardinal things is, I mean I can't be friends with someone who doesn't want to do anything in their life,
That's true, gang.
you know. And at the same time, there are some things which I'm still learning from people. I think I've learned a lot from you. I have learned a lot from my other friends as well on how to live life. Certain perspective on things I have changed. I was not a religious person. That changed after certain friendships that I've had. So
Certain friendships that I've had. That's crazy.
the point is that
Oh, it's not me, by the way, just saying.
you upgrade yourself with friendships, and I think that should happen. And at the same time, don't lose sight of what makes you you.
My biggest upgrade with my friendship with Ishita and my other friend Sneha is my vocabulary, guys. Now I know English. 10 on 10 full English I know.
I will ask her 3 words, she will not be able to.
You tell one word.
Okay, नहीं यार ये बहुत आसान हो गया.
यार ये तो चीटिंग कर रही है.
रुको सोचने दो मुझे. The thing is, your vocabulary has improved quite a lot. So
now just ask one word, no?
No.
Ask.
Okay, what about invigorating?
Invigorating. तो विगर का पता है? मेरे में बहुत एक मूवी है उसका नाम है इनविगर और जामी पैंट्स उसको 10 on 10 में से रेट कर रहा है. इनविगरेटिंग. तो मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि MBBS में कुछ भी हो सकता है. तुम्हारा कोई सर्टन पाथ नहीं है. तुम ऐसे भटको मत, ठीक है?
No, I'll tell you. I think when I was joining first year, I thought, oh my god, interns have their figured out, and you know they know everything. They know the cheat sheet and everything. And a bunch of you who are seeing this video are probably first years and thinking we are interns who know everything. We are only giving you our opinions. We don't know much.
This is everything we've learned in the past. And I'm telling you, as MBBS students, no, every year you progress more than any other branch possible emotionally.
Yeah.
Okay? MBBS puts you through some deep shit, bro. Some deep shit that changes you as a person from ground zero to internship. So even if you are talking to someone 1 year younger to you in MBBS, you have miles of gap emotionally because they've gone through an entire year of God knows what.
No, you have gone through an entire.
अबे यार same thing. हाँ ठीक है. Point you got no. Yeah. That's why you need to date older men.
I think you should date older. This is what Dhriti told me कि मेरे एज के बंदे इतने गधे हैं कि अब उसका next option तो
First
उससे
of all,
बड़े
already they're telling that dudes mature or less faster than us.
Some study found out that the average age of like maturity for men is at the age of 42.
42? Buddy, I don't have that kind of time.
Buddy, फिर बच्चे कब पैदा करूँ मैं तुम्हारे साथ?
मेरे को बच्चे नहीं पैदा करने. मैं बस ये बोल रही हूँ कि the moral of the story is not to date older men. The moral of the story.
Not to date men.
So guys, this is not a coming out of the closet video. We are
You
just
know,
friends.
you know,
No. Om Kapoor and I, we're just friends.
Yeah. No, I was saying,
Yeah.
Abhi, I don't know if you know, but there's these 2 YouTubers who have just recently come out to be in a relationship.
I know
Dan
the
and
2
Phil.
gay dudes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Dan and Phil ये ऐसे 15-16 साल से YouTube पे हैं and उनके fan fictions बनते थे.
Fanfics like Reddit पे Rule 39 sorry.
उनके हर जगह fan fictions बनते थे क्योंकि वो co-YouTubers थे, पर उन्होंने हमेशा बोला हम दोस्त हैं. तो but girls were obsessed with them कि इनके ये तो मतलब secretly जैसे One Direction का नहीं बनता था वैसे ही उनके बनते थे. Now they've come out and said कि हम 15 साल से relationship में हैं.
तो the
तुम
closet
समझ
was made of glass, भाई.
तुम समझ रही हो कि वो टीनेज लड़कियों पे क्या बीती है. ये हम कौन से पॉइंट से शुरू किए थे हम
Sorry guys, we deviated from the point. It again, it's a tangent, but हमें मैथ्स नहीं आता cause हमने छोड़ दिया था 12वीं कक्षा में.
इसको
Cause
तो बिल्कुल नहीं आता मैथ्स.
ओए PCM भी ली थी मैंने, ठीक है.
बट इसकी मैथ्स एक्चुअली इससे कोई भी कैलकुलेशन करवा लो, ये
5 + 5 10.
दर्शील सफारी बन जाती है तारे जमीन पर की.
देखो इन्हें, ये ब्लैक मूवी है, सॉरी. देखो.
So, moral of the story is you will unlock characters like Sriya, maybe in third year of your life, and you will not know it in the first year of your life. Yeah.
That's crazy.
By
Somebody,
Anusha Dandekar.
by the way, somebody asked how we keep our shit together, and I would just like to say no.
Please don't fall for her Instagram posts. She doesn't keep her. She will post picture, then I will see her next coming into. So
No, I'll tell you. I'll post something, then I'll knock on her door and I'll come. And I'll come curl up on her in the... Like, I will just... Like, she's sitting and I'll...
there have been so many days where for 3 hours I have been talking to her, and you know, like both of us are trying to calm each other down. And then when I finally open my phone, I see like one thirst trap she has posted, and I'm like, ये तो mood
Excuse
में
me. हाँ. मेरा... Guys, मैं most times बहुत real होती हूँ.
Yeah.
On the grams. But sometimes मैं बस scope करती हूँ on the grams. So yeah, do not go by it. Everyone goes through shit. Nobody has it together. One thing that works for me the most is discipline, and I stick to it. That's it. So if you want to keep your shit together, just try to get one basic schedule in head, and you will be at least 50% shit together. That's it.
And I think
That's enough.
with a schedule, it should have your basics, which is fitness, health, studying.
रोटी कपड़ा और मकान.
And like friend time, hobby time, relaxation time. That should be there.
Correct बोली भाई.
I think Sriya that way has a very well thought out, and she manages to, even if she moves around the timings, she follows her schedule almost every day. Like she
Right.
gives herself the grace to take some off days when she's not feeling like it, and I think that is
That's
equally
important, bro.
important. That is equally important. But she has a priority state कि मुझे जिम जाना है, मुझे मॉड्यूल सॉल्व करना है, मुझे ये काम करना है, everything मुझे यहाँ
एंड ये सब ना करने से तुम्हें खुद अच्छा लगेगा, तो
Yeah.
फिर तुम पोस्टपोन क्यों करोगे? जस्ट सेइंग. तो if you know you want to do something and doing that is going to be better for you, just do it. Nike किया तो she's not wanting to talk to you, sorry.
No, like I think we have again deviated from where we started, but the whole point is that be yourself and don't be stupid. Be yourself, don't be stupid.
ये बहुत चीजें, बहुत असाइनमेंट दे दिए लोगों को.
अरे यार, and at the same time, wow,
Wow, at the same time तीन असाइनमेंट आ रहे हैं guys. रुको. Be yourself, don't be stupid. और बताओ. Sorry मैम, इश्ता मैम बताओ.
don't be afraid of making mistakes and getting
Don't be
hurt.
afraid also.
It's inevitable.
हाँ बहुत होगा.
I
Just
have
saying.
made mistakes. I have hurt people. I have in return gotten hurt. It is
But try your best
circle
not
of
to
life.
hurt people, okay?
Try your best not to
It's
hurt
a
people.
bad thing. Don't do.
And
Yeah.
if you do hurt people, then you should
Take responsibility.
You should take responsibility. You should introspect, and
Do
I
better.
think guilt should eat at you. That's the sign of you being a good person. कि तुमको
Guilt हो रहा है.
इतना हो रहा है कि बुरा लग रहा है बहुत. And at the same time, when you do get hurt, you should be, I think, well assured of yourself that you forgive the other person.
Exact.
Two very important things in life. When you get hurt, you should learn to forgive them, and when you are hurt, you should learn to have the guilt and be better.
That was the end of our stupid podcast. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and actually listening. But yeah, if you want more shorter versions, solo podcasts, anything, let me know in the comments and I will do that for you because I love yapping. Bye.